Hi everybody, and welcome to another 1 Million Cups in Riverside, California. Today we have an interesting presenter. When you talk about mobile and you talk about security, you probably understand that that's a big deal. And we've got a gentleman here, Robert Lee with PingSweep, who's going to fill you in on a great new product. Robert?
Thank you, Jay. Hi, I'm Robert Lee, and the founder and CEO of PingSweep Technology. I started my career as a computer programmer in the United States Air Force, and then as a senior solutions architect for Hewlett-Packard. I've always been motivated to take on the big challenges, opportunities, and causes in both my personal and professional life. Some of my accomplishments: I've climbed Mount Fuji, which is the tallest mountain in Japan. I rode regularly for the Multiple Sclerosis Society's 100-mile bike-a-thon. I was a member of the U.S. delegation investigating Russia for their nuclear test ban violations, and had a black diplomatic passport, and wore civilian clothes, and spoke 4 different foreign languages. I was the Airman of the Year in the Air Force, U.S. Air Force, and one of only 12 people in the entire Air Force to be selected to lead the consolidation of their computer systems. I was hired by Hewlett-Packard as part of an elite team whose job was to take the Navy and the Marine Corps' disparate computer systems with over 360,000 users at various security levels all over the globe, and create automated programs to transform them into modern systems with no mission impact. I was the idea's go-to person when it came to critical systems that needed to be saved. And I spent a lot of time on the road. I even wrote a computer software program that the customers wanted instead of a program from a big name company like Citrix. So how I got here today is basically a couple of things that I believe a lot of people have experienced. During my business travels, I often experience the pain and sometimes the cost of carrying 2 laptops to perform multiple tasks. And the other was when I forgot my phone in my jeans pocket as I tossed my jeans into the washing machine. The phone was destroyed. However, the information that was stored on my little SD card was safe. These experiences, coupled with my passion for solving big challenges and my love for the original Star Trek series. Yes, the Star Trek series. Remember when the crew would beam down to a planet? They would usually take a weapon called a phaser, a communications device called a communicator, and Mr. Spock and Dr. McCoy would take a device called a tricorder. Now, the tricorder was a general purpose device primarily used to scout unfamiliar areas, make detailed examinations of living things, and record and review technical data. This device could examine almost anything from a distance. The tricorder was also used to help diagnose diseases and collect bodily information about a patient. Well, now I have invented a modern day version of the tricorder. Why is this important? There is an urgent need for rapid, simple, cost-effective medical devices for screening multiple medical conditions for early medical diagnosis. Currently, in order to diagnose multiple medical conditions, medical professionals must purchase expensive single devices for each purpose or carry heavy equipment. My invention is called IronCloth. IronCloth is a single, non-invasive medical device technology that can detect, examine, and monitor multiple medical conditions, either as a standalone device or upload that information directly to medical databases via an internet connection. My invention is optimized for doctors, nurses, practitioners, and first responders. How does it work? Doctors insert a secure digital card that they can carry in their pocket into the IronCloth medical device. This card contains the operating system and data to activate the integrated device sensors and touchscreen. Doctors can then diagnose a variety of biological, geological, or meteorological medical conditions for up to a distance of approximately 30 feet, either as a standalone device or upload that information to a medical database via internet connection. Our market opportunity. Our medical device technology can be used by a broad cross-section of medical organizations as their solution to diagnose a variety of biological, meteorological, or geological medical conditions anywhere across the globe and save costs. Our target market is healthcare facilities and their providers, as well as agencies like the Environmental Protection Agency and Federal Emergency Management Agencies. At an estimated $127 billion in 2013, the U.S. medical device market is the world's largest. The medical device market growth is expected to accelerate at 4.4% annually and reach $400 billion, nearly $500 billion by 2018. This is a growth rate almost 33% faster than the prescription drug market. And you know how fast the prescription drug market is going. Our management team, we have a small team with the right people and who are focused, committed, and driven. I have designed, I'm an expert in the technical delivery lifecycle process, and I have designed and engineered technical solutions worth over $120 million per year, and most of my solutions are still in existence today. Marina Donovan, who is our Chief Marketing Officer, high energy, results driven, branding and marketing expert that has delivered solutions and sales, high growth sales in the global markets. Ron McKenzie is Vice President of our product, is a senior executive leader who has delivered on implementations at the global level for various companies. And our Chief Financial Officer, Larry Green, knows our business inside and out and is a financial strategies guru that we rely on very heavily. As you can see, we have a lot of experience in a lot of different companies and a very diverse background. Our growth and achievements so far: we were selected to the IBM Global Entrepreneurship Program. We have advanced to the second round of the Global Verizon's Powerful Answers Challenge, and have placed in the top tier with a high interest rating and a showcase spot from the review committee in the International Smart Cities Challenge. Our IronCloth next generation medical device technology will allow you to review medical conditions in a way that you've never done before. And we ask for your support to take us to the next level. And together, we can go where you've never gone before.